This 2001 double-wide sits on a full acre and has a 2020 metal roof. Spruce it up and make it yours. As the weather warms, you'll enjoy morning coffee or a meal on either of the two porches. Walking into the home, this is what awaits you. The design is open. Everything at your fingertips in the kitchen. Convenient. Great place for gathering family or friends. The pellet stove keeps the home toasty, with a propane furnace, as well. The primary bedroom is much larger than it looks here. Has an attached bath. Don't like carpeting? No worries. There's none here. This addition has lovely pine throughout. Use it as the third bedroom, family room, library, whatever you choose. It's a quiet country location with natural views to match. Privacy. There's room to garden, visit around a campfire, romp with your pets. The current owners have 4 dogs, so the pen has been great. Country location, new roof, on-demand propane hot water heater, easy to heat home. The location is great. It's convenient to Farmington and Wilton and yet quiet. Could this be home for you? Call right away for a showing.